Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video about XYO network guys. So guys, you already know about XYO network that slowly the price becomes low. The change is positive but becomes low positive guys. You can see here guys, now the last 1 hour update is about 0.85 and the last 1 day change is about 0.17%. That means that the XYO price is false, I mean decrease. Anyways guys, before discussing more about XYO, please, if you don't subscribe my channel, so subscribe now. AB Stake channel for more news and updates videos guys. Now the right now price of XYO network is about 0.39737 USD dollar. That is right now price of XYO network. Let me show you a price chart of XYO network. You can see absolutely in the previous time the price taken a jump 8 September, but unfortunately after 12 September you can see gradually the price is going to decrease gradually, slowly. So alert guys, now the huge jump is coming soon in the XYO network. Possibility that for a 1 week, for a 2 week, this pump will continue, dump will continue, and after 1 or 2 weeks the price will again pump. Remember that. Anyways guys, what do you think? What is your prediction? What is your opinion about XYO network? Also share in the comment box. The change is about 121%, but very soon these changes will become negative. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like. Be alert and be safe from loss. Subscribe now channel for more news.